Good afternoon, class. This is lecture number 3rd. Today in this lecture we are going to discuss the last exercise of the chapter number 5C, which is totally based on the logics, internal logics, patterns, missing number series, uses of integers, and some of the sudokus and the missing numbers. So before we going to start, I will give some of the question which are your homework. The question number 8 to question number 16. Question number 8 to question number 16 are your homework, because in this type of question you have to use the logical manners or the logical idea which are given in the question, okay, so that we can find out the answer of the question, and you have to strictly follow the given rules for the particular question. Then you can find out the missing number, either the missing number or a series, whatever is given, okay. In question number 15 you have to find out the solution of the sudokus inside of the number inside the square boxes, okay. I think some of the students already had familiar with this type of sudokus. So start with the question number first, the exercise first. The question number 1 is based on the addition, second one is subtraction, third one again multiplication, and fourth one is division. Second and third question are not correctly assigned as per the standard, because here the missing term, either in question number second the b is b and d, value of b and d is not defined, because according to the question there are more than one values. And in question number third, the value of g, okay, the value of g, and just left of the g are 2 is not a defined number in this question, okay. So we are going to start, so we will discuss this question, okay. So question number first part, okay. Here we have 3 questions, question number first, second and third. Fourth part is your homework. In first one we have to add the following numbers. So first one is 2 plus 6 8, and we have 15 or 5, because 2 plus 8 is always greater than 5, so it must be 15, okay. So for 15 the C must be 7, okay. So 6 plus 2 8 or 8 and 7 15, carry 1 1 plus 7 8 plus 5 15, and here is 17, okay. 1 carry, here 1 carry, 1 plus 7 8 prime, 8 and 5 13 plus 4 is 17, okay. So D equal to 4. Now again 1 carry, okay. Now 2 plus 8 10 plus 1 11, here is 7, so 11 must be 16, so A equal to 6, A 6, so total is 17. Again carry 1 plus 9 10 plus 4 14 plus 3 again 17, so B equal to 3, and E is 1, because 17, so E equal to 1. So these are the value of C, D, A, B, E, okay. Now question number now second part A to 4 6 5 to B7, we have to subtract 5 to B7 from A to 4 6, okay. Now 16 minus 7, because we cannot subtract 7 from 6, so this is 16 minus 7, so E equal to 9, okay. Now we can take carry from here, so this is 3, okay. Here both the terms are missing. This is important, but the question is wrong in this manner, because we have to get here in the question at least from B and D any value we have to give, okay, but not, so we can say that. Now this is, just assume this is 3, okay. We can take B as a number. If 0, if B, we have more than 3 possibility here. If B is 0, D equal to 3. If B is 1, then D equal to 2. If B is 2, then D equal to 1. If B is 3, then D equal to 0. There are 4 possibility for B and D. If D is given here, then we have only one possibility, then we have to subtract the value, okay. Now 2 and 2, okay, we can subtract 2 from 2, so now we can say that if you want to subtract, okay, So if this is unit digit, then there are 4 possibility. If it is a 2 digit, then it must be 13. So 13 minus b equal to d. 2 possibility, 13 minus 8 equal to 5. So b equal to 8 and d equal to 5. If 13 minus 5 equal to 8, then b equal to 5 and d equal to 8. Okay, there are again 2 possibility. You can say that let b equal to 8. If b equal to 8, then d equal to 5. Then here we have 1 because we can take carry. So 11 minus 2, so c equal to 9. Now last one. So we have the resultant value is 1, so it must be 7. If a equal to 7, we can take carry here 1. So this is 6. 6 minus 5, that is 1. So value of a equal to 7. Okay. So wrong term is either b or d because there are 2 possibility. In any question we have not be 2 possibility given. Okay. So this is answer. Or b equal to 5 or 8 also. Now the third one is we have resultant 5 value. So when we multiply it by 5, then it always then only given 5 as answer. So 5 5 to 25. Okay, 5 5 to 25. So a must be 5. 5 5 to 25. So 5 to 10. 10 plus 2 carry. Okay, 10 plus 2 12. Again 1 carry. So 5 1 is 5. 5 and 1. So c equal to 6. Okay. Now 1 multiply with this. So this is 0. 1 into 5. 1 into 5. So f equal to 5. 1 into 2. So e equal to 2. 1 into 1. D equal to 1. Okay. 125. 1 2 5. So this is 1 2 5. Now we have to multiply b with a. For b with a, we have 0. If you multiply b with a, again we have 2 possibilities. Why? More than 2 possibilities. Why more than 2 possibilities? If you multiply 5 with b, 5 into b, then answer is 0. So b equal to 2, 5 to 10, b equal to 4, 5 4 is 20, b equal to 8, 5 8 is 40, and b equal to 6, 5 6 is 30. So we have to choose from these possibilities. First we check b as 2. So 2 5 is 10. Okay, carry 1. Then 2 to 4, 4 or 1, 5. It means z equal to 5. If b equal to 2, then g must be 5. Okay, then 2 into 1, 2. So this is okay. Okay, so b must be 2. Now the final one, 5. So g equal to 5. Okay, then 2 plus f, 5. So k equal to 7. 2 plus f is 5. 2 plus 5 is 7. So k equal to 7. C plus e plus 0. C plus e, 6 plus 2, 8. 8 is okay. Now d plus z. D plus z. 5 plus 1, 6. Okay. 2. D plus z, 5 6. So h equal to 2. I think you understood all these 3 questions. Okay. So last one is your homework, which is division. So 37. If you divide 37 with A51 minus 74. Okay. Question is A51. So A must be 8. So that 85 minus 74, that is 1 into 1. Okay. 11 1 1 1. So last step is we have to divide 1 1 1 by 37. So the answer is 3. 37 is 1 1 1. Okay. So these are the answer. Okay, student. Now start with the question number 2. This is your question, which is based on the series of difference. Okay. First of all, we have to find out the difference of this series. So for that, we can find out the difference between these two numbers. This is 19. 5 6 is 19. This is 18. 82 plus 20 plus 18, that is 18. Then 57. Then this is 76. 95. Now next term is 19 table of 19. So 19 6 is 114. So we have to add 848 plus 150. Answer is 962. Okay, this is based on the series of difference. So you have to find out this. This is your homework. Okay, you have to find out the missing value of this. series. Okay. Now second question is 17, 17, 51. This is your question. So here we have the series of multiplication. Okay, into 1, into 3, into 5, into 7, into 9. So now we have to multiply with into 11. So if we multiply it with 11, so 5. So this is the answer. Okay. So 176715 is the answer. Okay. Now these are the homework. First one, this is based on prime number series, and second one, this is based on the square number series. Okay, these two are your homework. Now move to the question number third. Question number third is your homework. Fourth one in question number 4 we have to divide the number. Question is very simple because we have to multiply this number with this, so the number must be multiplied with this number. Okay, this is the number and multiply with this. Answer is 24. So what is the value? This is a 2-digit number, so must be 12, and 12 into 2 means A, B, B, A. So it must be 1. So A equal to 1 and B equal to 2. 12 2 is 24, 1, 1 to 12, and 12 1 is 12. Okay. So answer of these are A equal to 1 and B equal to 2. Okay. Now move to the question number 5th. Question number 5th is again simple question. We will discuss. These are again the missing numbered triangles. Okay, we have to find out the value of this with the help of these patterns. So first of all, we have to follow these patterns by using this, that 87 91. So we can find out the 87 plus 2 square equal to 90. It means we have to add 87 with square of this number. Again 72. This must be follow with the all these triangular series. Okay, so 72 plus 9 must be 81. Okay, this is 81. So here we have 1 plus 4 square, that is 16. So 16 plus 1 17. So this is the value of this number 17. Now question number 6. In the digital display, which digit can display all the 10 digits from 0 to 9? Okay, question number 6. Okay, if you are familiar with the digital display, I think yes, the answer is yes. This is the number 8. The digital display of number 8 is like this. Okay, this is 8. In a digital display or in a digital watch, either in any digital device. Okay, we get, by using this we can find out all any number from this. Okay, if you want to find out 1 from this, so we have to delete all these lines. 1, we have to delete this, then the remaining one is this. So this is 1. Now if you want to draw 2, so we have to delete this one and this one, so it become 2. Okay, like this. So this is 2. If you want to draw the 3 from this, so we have to delete this 3. If you want to draw 4, then you have to delete this number and this. Okay, this is 4. If 5, then you have to delete, this is 5. Now 6, like this. 7, so this is 7. Now 8 is the first digit, so we cannot draw from that. Okay, now last one is 9, so we have to draw like this. Okay, 9, and last one is 0, so this is 0. Okay, by using the digit 8 we can draw any digit from the in a digital display. Okay, question number 7. Question number 7 is very simple. Square based logical square based logic based square. 2, 5, 8. The sum of the digit must be 15. For that, 4, 5, 15, and this is 15. So we have to add here 3. 4 and 3, 7. 7 plus 8. Now we can add 1 here, 6 plus 1 7, 7 plus 18, 5 plus 3 8, 8 and 7, 7 6 2, again 15, 5 1 6, 6 and 9 15. So these are the digits we can fill like this. Okay, now question number 8 to question number 17, sorry, yes, question number 8 to question number 17 are your homework. You can take time and do not solve these questions in your fair copy. Okay, these are for your just for your homework, and you have to find out the solution of these questions in your homework section. You have enough time for this. Okay, thank you so much for this. We will discuss rest of the question in the next lecture.